Good morning students, how are you? Students, in our previous video, we have studied the standard form of the large numbers. And now, to continue the same thing, let us start question number 3 of exercise 13.3. Here, we are on question number 3. So, see the solution of first part. In first part, the number we are having, it is this number we are having, and we have to express this number in standard form. So we write here standard form. So as we have studied there, in standard form the decimal will be after first digit. So here first digit is what? It is 5, and that digit should be from 1 to 9. So this number is 5. So we write this number as 5.0 into, now 10 raised to the power how much? Here you just see after 5 how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. So 10 raised to the power 7. So this will be the answer of this question. In same way, same method, we have to do the next question. So let us start it. In second part, we have given number. It is 70 lakh. It is given, and we have to express this number in standard form. So method will be same. Standard form. So when we express in standard form, then decimal will be after first digit. If you put decimal after 7, then it will become 7.0 into 10 raised to the power what? Now you see after 7 how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 raised to the power 6. This will be your answer. Now come to the third part. In third part number we are having this number we are having, very large number it is, and we have to again express in standard form. So see here, we write standard form. So when we express in standard form, then decimal will be after first digit. So after first digit, if you put the decimal, what it will be? It will be 3 point. Now write the digit which are non zeros here. So these digits we have to write 1, 8, 6, 5. Now after that 0, 0, zeros are there. We know that if decimal is there and in last zeros have no meaning. So we don't write these 0 in the last. We write only 10 raised to the power. Now 10 raised to the power, how much it will be? You just see after 3 how many total digits are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 digits. So we write 10 raised to the power 9. So this will be the standard form of this number. In same way you have to do the other part. Let us see the fifth part of this question. Here in this fifth part we have given 39087.8. Here decimal already given, and we have to express again in the standard form. So what it will be? We write it as standard form. So what it will be? Here decimal is here, but if we according to the standard form, this decimal should be after first digit. So we have to move this decimal to here. Now how many digits it will move? It will move 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits to the left. So this number will become 3.90878. This 8 also will be written, and into 10 raised to the power how much? you see how much decimal the digit is displaced. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 raised to the power 4. Or you can count like this. After 3, how many digit up to decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in same way it will be. So this is the answer of this question. Now come to the next part. Here in part number 6, we have given 3908.78. Only change in decimal. So what will be the standard form of this? We write the same standard form. So what will be the standard form? It will be displace this decimal up to here. So this number will become 3.90878 into 10 raised to the power how much? Here you see how many digit it displays. It displays 3 digits. So 10 raised to the power 3. So this will be the answer of this question. So this is question number 3. Now move to the question number 4. First of all, read the statement of question number 4. What you have given in this question? Stand in first part. We have given the distance between the Earth and Moon. This distance is given, and we have to express this distance in standard form. So let us start this part. First of all, write down the distance as usual what it is given to us. So let us write it. This is question number 4, solution of first part. Here in this we have given distance. It is 384, that much and that much. This distance is given. Now this we have to express in standard form. So we write here standard form. So what will be the standard form? According to this, first decimal will be after first digit. So it will be 3.84. Now after 4 there are zeros, so no need to write the zeros in the last. Multiply 10 raised to the power what? Now you see after 3 how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 raised to the power 8 meter. This is the answer of this question. Now let us move to the next question. Here in B part or second part, here it is given speed of light in vacuum. This we have given. You write the same speed of light. How much it is? It is given that much meter per second. So we write the standard form. Standard form of this. So what will be the standard form here? So our first decimal after first digit, it will be 3 point. Nothing is here, so we can write 0 or only we can write 3. Both are the same thing. Into 10 raised to the power what? You count the number of digits after 3. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. So this will be the standard form of this question. Now move to the next one. Here you can take I part. Here, the earth has dash much cubic kilometer of sea water. So you write total sea water. How much it is? It is 53 then 0 that much cubic kilometer. This unit is given to us and we have to write it in standard form. So in standard form it will be written as, we write standard form. So it will be equal to 1.353 into 10 raised to the power how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 raised to power 9 cubic kilometer. This will be our answer. So this is for the day. Thank you.